10 things that make you as pale as a ghost as you supersize and grow your business. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. And our idiom, our expression today is as pale as a ghost. Looks like a wrinkly old ghost. Tried to do white makeup today, but it wasn't scary enough. So I thought I would go ahead and use a black and white filter. So what does as pale as a ghost mean? It, of course, means super duper pale. Usually when you're nauseous or afraid of something, the blood will drain from your face and you will look very pale. Or if you're extremely frightened or scared of something. So what are the top 10 problems that people supersizing and growing their business face that can leave them staying up at night, losing sleep, getting bags under our eyes, and feeling drained of energy and as pale as a ghost? Well, number one is, of course, uncertainty. But guess what? There's uncertainty in everything, every area, and every aspect of our life. The second thing is globalization. The third thing is innovation. The fourth thing is one of that we've all been experiencing since COVID-19. That's government policy and regulation. The whole COVID mandates, shutdowns, who's an essential worker, etc. All of that has impacted just about every business on the planet, if not every single business on the planet. Fifth, technology, because technology is changing all the time. 6, diversity. 7, complexity. I don't know about you, but we as human beings tend to make things way more complex than they have to be. 8th is information overload. Anyone feel that there's just too much information, too much detail, too much do it this way or that way, too many hacks, too much stuff that people are trying to tell us to do, and we just get overloaded and inundated with information and messages that leave us confused, lost and confused, and thinking that we're doing things wrong, when the truth is we just need to figure it out our own way, do it our own way, do what works best for us. 9, supply chain. Boy, that's a biggie for a lot of companies and a lot of industries right now. Can't tell you how many of my favorite restaurants, even if we're ordering takeout, have to do, and grocery stores as well, either substitutions or just credit your order because they don't have the supplies that you're looking for. And we could talk about whether that's being artificially created or not, but that's a topic for another day. And finally, number 10 is strategic thinking and problem solving. A lot of business owners don't have a process or a system that they use for strategic planning and for problem solving. We need to have a system for both. So, question for you today is, what keeps you up at night? What has in the past or is currently keeping you up, wondering, losing sleep over a challenge or a problem in your business? Share in the comments below. You may or may not have a way to solve it for you. Probably do. Over almost 50 years, figured out and been through just about any business challenge you can imagine, running the gamut from and covering and touching on each and every one of these topics as well. So what is your biggest challenge right now? And assume you're fixing it and working on it and problem solving and strategic managing around it, or strategic planning around it. But if not, just ask for help. That's our idiom for today, as pale as a ghost. I don't let much get me pale as a ghost these days. That was a long time coming, but well overdue. Have an awesome day. If I can help you in your way, let me know. Otherwise, I'll be with you tomorrow for another interesting idiom. Where does it come from? What does it mean? How might you use it in your business, maybe even in your life today? Have a great day. Bye.